Hi everyone, welcome to a new crypto market video, the educational channel about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. In the past few days, many fraudulent emails have been circulating pretending to be from Trezor. They warn about a so-called security risk caused by advances in quantum computing. This is a complete scam. In this video, I'm going to explain how this phishing scam works, what attackers are after, and how you can protect yourself. The email arrives with an alarming tone. It claims that quantum computing could break current encryption methods, and because of that, you must install a security update. And of course, there's a big shiny button that says Get Started. But if you click it, boom, you're redirected to a fake website that looks almost identical to Trezor's official page. This page is not from Trezor. It's a fake site created by scammers, carefully designed to mimic the official one and steal your keys or recovery seed. They'll ask you, for security reasons, to enter your recovery words to continue with the update. But once you type them in, the attackers gain full access to your wallet and drain your funds within seconds. So, how do you protect yourself? Super simple. Follow these golden rules. Trezor never sends updates via email. All updates are done only through the official Trezor Suite app or the official website. Never enter your recovery seed on a website. Your seed is only used on your physical Trezor device. Always check the URL. The official site is trezor.io. Any variation is fake. Be skeptical of alarmist messages. Scammers use fear to push you into acting fast. So if you receive an email like this, delete it immediately. Don't click on any links. And don't reply, not even to insult them, because by replying, you confirm your email is active and they'll keep spamming you. Your best defense against phishing is knowledge and staying calm. Keep your keys safe. Use only official channels. And remember, your recovery seed is never shared online. Share this video so more people become aware of this scam. That way, we can prevent more users from losing their crypto. Stay safe in the crypto world. That's it for today's video. If you found this info helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto content, and drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.